the introduction of cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others made one thing clear to researchers: the blockchain is digging in for the long haul. With this trust in calculation skill, the cryptographers and researchers stayed at work past 40 hours to make an extraordinary digital money that could hold an incentive at a splendid future cost, empowering taking credit, making installments, and all in replaceable neighborhood monetary standards. Before we start with a nitty-gritty Nexo cost forecast, we should really take a look at the coin outline. What makes Nexo one of a kind? Nexo is a blockchain-based loaning stage that gives cryptographic money-supported credits to clients. These credits don't need a FICO rating, and this element makes it an alluring choice for clients. With the Nexo stage, clients store upheld crypto resources for acquire a moment advance and 45+ government-issued types of money. Check the total Nexo audit here. After storing, a credit line opens up, and no credit check is essential. Clients can spend from their acknowledged line whenever for the Nexo card or pull out straightforwardly to their financial balance. The whole system of Nexo depends on two standards: 1, versatility of exchanges, and 2, working with a smooth combination with different applications. It appears Nexo will thoroughly change the worldwide skyline of installments and furthermore is a wise speculation choice. A striking element of Nexo has been the carrying out of free virtual cards that likewise permit no restriction transformations of monetary standards. These cards can be utilized for limits, and the best advantage clients determine is they can pay in their neighborhood monetary standards. Nexo, specialized examination like other digital currencies. Nexo also is to a great extent reliant upon value development and request and supply, and is profoundly weak despite the fact that it depends on blockchain calculations. Specialists change as they would like to think about the commitments Nexo holds in the years to come, in light of verifiable information. Not long after Nexo showed up on trade in 2018, its most memorable large flood came, and among April and May, the cost of Nexo rose from 55 cents to 98 cents, an impressive leap that mirrored a gigantic measure of early financial backer interest. Notwithstanding, it stamped nearly flattish energy till September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo moved up above 73 cents. However, at that point, it confronted a slight revision and retested the 50 cents mark. Shockingly, in the coronavirus stage, the verifiable information showed when any remaining monetary forms exhibited a dreary execution, the Nexo cost displayed security, acquiring financial backer certainty and showing an extraordinary flood in energy with no Nexo cost drop understanding starting from the start of 2021. Notwithstanding, in 2022, the cost of Nexo was rectified constantly, and it shut the year around 62 cents. Being recorded on most of trades gives Nexo a supportability advantage that impacts Nexo's figure contrasted with conventional monetary standards. The ongoing cost of Nexo weights around 75 cents with a 24H value change of plus 0.23% and a 24-hour volume of $6,611,251 with a market cap of $425,261,495. There is as of now a coursing supply of 560 million 11 Nexo tokens on the planet. In light of our expectations from the ongoing cost of Nexo, a cost fall is expected. The Nexo cost guess for 2023 is 8 cents. According to the Gauge Information Examination, the cost of Nexo is supposed to cross the degree of $1.50. Before the year's over, Nexo is supposed to arrive at a greatest degree of $1.68. Financial backers and holders of crypto resources should know the cost of Nexo in 2023. The future cost of Nexo could cross $1.39 in 1 year. Being founded on specialized examination, the cost of Nexo holds positive feeling for the impending months. The Nexo value change might reach $2.47 toward the finish of 2023. Despite the fact that Nexo cost expectations for the time of 2023 to 2030 are unbiased as far as development, the drawn-out viewpoint for Nexo appears to be positive to date. There is a ton coming up for financial backers, as expressed by specialists. Nexo costs might go on upwards, crossing $1.50 by the 2023 end and soaring all through the remainder of the year, acquiring financial backer help and hopeful gauges. Nexo value expectation 2023 going by the investigation of more limited and longer Nexo cost patterns. Almost certainly, the year 2023 may not be really ideal for Nexo for heightening, particularly with rivals finding intensity or markets playing find the stowaway. There is a determined possibility of the Nexo crash to 70 cents, and the most extreme cost might be around $1.70. Nexo value expectation 2024 expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist in view of expectation at the cost of Nexo. and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is by and by expected that Nexo will govern the crypto realm, wiping out BTC strength with a presentation of cost fixed at $2.01. Nexo can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in antagonistic circumstances, essentially due to its solid basics. Nexo value expectation 2025. The current year's expectations could stamp the benchmark year, as the cost of Nexo is estimated to outperform $2.50 definitely. Basically on the grounds that this year, no vital variables like the pandemic or downturns are expected to shake the underlying foundations of world economy. And it is normal that a large portion of the harm done would be making a course for fixed work in every single world economy. Nexo value expectation 2026. As per our Nexo cost gauge, in view of specialized examination and past information, this digital currency could leap to about $3.59 by December 2026. Simultaneously, the base and normal costs are supposed to be around $2.95 and $3.27 individually. Nexo value expectation 2027 keeping up, coupled with a similar bullish pattern. There are expectations that the Nexo cost is ready for a rise even in 2027. The cost of Nexo, as well, will run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern, lines contacting the $4.45 mark in view of cost forecast. Nexo value expectation 2028 considering our Nexo figure, specialized examination, and market refreshes, with many undertakings reaching realization before the year's over. The inside and out greatest cost of $5.75 cannot be precluded for Nexo, making it a productive interest in the cryptographic money market, contrasted with government-issued types of money. Nexo value expectation 2029. As per our Nexo gauge, the token is supposed to exchange at least cost of $5.55 with a most extreme cost of $8.15. Simultaneously, the typical worth of the token for the whole year might be around $6.85. Nexo value expectation 2030. Master financial backers of computerized coins generally plan for the long haul instead of the transient cost development, with a touch of persistence in keeping their expectations high in the drawn-out gauges. Financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2030, as the reception of Nexo will fill dramatically as far as cost and market cap, by when Nexo will not anymore a credulous participant in the realm of cryptographic forms of money, yet a carefully prepared player. It is normal to exchange at a limit of $10.01 in 2030 in light of our Nexo forecast. Does Nexo have a future? Nexo is a cryptographic money that has a shrewd and brilliant future. Riding the crypto wave, it will manage the computerized realm, thus for of installment, it would have a long rule. Indeed, even virtual entertainment stages like Twitter and Facebook affirm Nexo's strength over BTC's predominance. Is putting resources into Nexo a smart thought? Indeed, as per our Nexo cost gauge, putting resources into it will be smart at the ongoing cost level. Be that as it may, a reasonable level of effort is generally prudent. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any over-happy clarifications required on the off chance that you contribute insightfully and track the Nexo cost estimates routinely throughout some undefined time frame. Where could I at any point purchase Nexo? At this moment, you can buy